Hey guys, a little bit of advanced knowledge here in quadratics that I want to cover with you today. Many of us know that the standard form of a quadratic is given by the expression f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, and the vertex form is given by an alternate version that says f of x is equal to a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k. I forget what the mnemonic device here, but it's something like kids tell the truth but homies lie or something like that. I don't know, I forgot. But anyway, what if we were given a quadratic in the standard form such as this, x squared plus 4x minus 11, and if we wanted to convert this into the vertex form, how do we do it? Well, let's take a look. One of the ways that is often asked of us on the examination is to present this standard form into the vertex form. And the way to do that, you guys, is to take the b term here, which is 4, and you divide that by 2 by completing this square. So I'm going to bracket off this part right here and take the b term, which is 4, divide that by 2, and I'm going to square it, which ultimately leads us to a 4, and I'm going to add that back into the square. So this becomes x squared plus 4x plus 4. And again, I'm going to maintain that bracket. But remember, since this is a quadratic where I'm going to subtract the 11 and I added 4, I'm going to need to subtract the 4 onto the final term of c. So if you note that this particular quadratic now will now be able to get squared and factored out as x plus 2 squared, and then you subtract and reduce, negative 11 minus 4 becomes negative 15, and voila, we've just converted our quadratic into standard form into our vertex form, where we can now recognize that the vertex is going to be equal to negative 2 comma negative 15. And there's your answer.